What do you see in the picture? There are many things, fun things. Maybe you identify this. What's the name of this? All of these, what are they? And it says happy birthday. We can find friends, a birthday boy, a and we can see that there are presents and balloons. So this is a birthday celebration. And today we're going to talk about birthday celebrations. Anna's birthday celebration. I went to Anna's birthday celebration. She gave me an invitation 2 weeks ago. We took a present for her. There was a birthday cake with candles, balloons, and much more. I had a lot of fun on her birthday. A birthday celebration. A present. A birthday cake. Candles. An invitation. Balloons. What does it say here? What's this? You're right. It's a birthday cake. What about this one? An invitation. And this one's? Candles. Good work. This one is a present. Good. What is this one? Balloons.